Welcome back to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon order before it ships. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. Now, you can either use your Amazon application or get logged into your account via a web browser. I'm going to go with second option. So at the top search bar, if you're logging in with your browser, type in Amazon login. You will see sign in here, select it, enter your credentials, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you do so, you will see your profile. Tap onto it. Once you do that, under your orders, you will see track and manage your orders. Select this. And here you can see your orders up to past 3 months. If not, you can also select this filter and filter out the date. Now, if you have placed any order on Amazon, you will see it right here. And you can also check if it has been shipped or not. For that, once you track the order or once you see the order here, you will see more information as well as you tap on details. In my case, I have not yet placed any order, but if you have placed any, you will see it all right here. All you have to do is select details and then you will see the date, either if it's shipped or not. If it has not been shipped, you may go ahead and cancel it. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. If it had solved your issue, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. And if you want guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Member gets priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.